Hey, well, today is Sunday. We got a couple of hours before the rain's supposed to get here. We set up a animal observation station and feeder out in the woods, so we are going to go do some cleanup around that and hopefully get all this done before it starts raining. So stick around. I'm gonna set the camera up and we're gonna get loaded up, and I'll show you some of the tools we're gonna use, and then we're gonna go get after it. So hang in there. All right, so we're here at the undisclosed location, and we're about to get back here and clean up our observation area for animals. But it's been raining a little bit. It's pretty dark back here, but there's just a few trees we want to clean up. So I'm gonna show you. This is going to be one of my favorite tools. I'm about to show you. Let me flip the camera around. This is my steel 130R split shaft. So you can run all the accessories, but here's the best thing, is that right there. I've cut down more trees and stuff with a blade like that than with a chainsaw. So we're gonna get over here, get back in here and take down some of these smaller trees, get them out of the way and clean them up. Plus, taking those trees down, that actually helps the larger trees around. So looks like we've had some activity back here. Looks like we've had a lot of activity back here from the looks of things. So let's get to cleaning up. Well, I think that's it for the all the saw work. So now I'll get on the just cleaning up, picking up the loose ends and stuff. Had enough spider attacks at the moment, so I'll pick everything up, straighten it all up, and basically make it like a funnel. So everything's got to come in basically from this side, where it's less trouble for animals to come in and out. Basically, I'm gonna take all this brush and stack it up like to my fence, where the least resistance, the animals ought to be coming in from this side. North is that way, so there's a north wind. I'm gonna be sitting back off in here and they won't smell. So I'm gonna go back, hydrate, and then start picking up. Well, I think that's going to about sum it up. I think we got enough cleared out. A little shaky. Well, I think that's going to sum it up for today. I think that we cleaned it up pretty good. Now we'll head back to the house and get ready to watch some football. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hope you like the content. And we got some other stuff going on. I need to get back on the Lodestar. Don't mind the crows. They're waiting for me to leave. But anyhow, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you. Y'all think mosquitoes are bad? Take a look at these guys. You see the size of that chicken? Yeah.